Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. It's time to announce the raffle winners from our anniversary event, so stay tuned. Okay, so first, a great big thank you to everybody who participated in the anniversary event. It was a great week. I got a chance to connect with you. Hopefully you got to take advantage of some really great deals. And now we're going to pick the winners for the raffles. So we had two raffles. One was for a Henry Margue wig, and to enter that raffle, you had to comment under my anniversary announcement video. The second raffle was for the people who showed up for the live on Saturday night, which was so much fun. And the winner of that raffle will be getting a main attraction wig. But before I choose the winners for the raffles, just a quick announcement about our private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. I've gotten several comments and messages from people saying they were having a hard time getting into the group. It's very important to us that we keep scammers out of our group. And so in order to do that, we're pretty strict on the membership. So let me just tell you what you need to do. First, you have to have a profile picture and you can't have your account locked. Once you're in the group, you can take your profile picture down. You can lock your page back up, whatever you want to do. I understand doing those things, but for us to check you out, we need to have your picture and to have your account unlocked. Next, make sure you answer all of the membership questions, and you may have to scroll down to agree to the group rules. But if you don't answer all the questions or don't agree to the group rules, you will automatically be declined. So I just wanted to let you know how to make sure you can get into the group, because it is such a great group, such a supportive group, a great place to see all different wigs on different people, to learn tips and tricks. We have wig experts there, we have my resident stylist V there, and of course I'm over there as well. So come join us. Just make sure you do all of those things to get into the group. All right, so let's start out by choosing the winner for the Henry Margue wig. To enter, you had to comment under my anniversary announcement video and tell me how you like to celebrate special occasions. So what I've done is I've entered the URL for that video into this random comment picker. I filtered out duplicate comments, and let me see here. I had to answer the question, what's 9 plus 8? Hopefully I got it right, it's 17. And now let's get how many comments we had. Okay, we had 274 comments. Now we will, from there, start the raffle. Here we go. And the winner is at Victoria York 9608. Congrats on 1 year, woohoo! I love to spend time with my grown-up children as we are all close. Warms my little heart. I'm right there with you, Victoria. Okay, so Victoria, congratulations. I'm so excited for you. Email us at orders@frannieshair.com. Let us know which Henry Margue wig you would like and which address we should send it to. All right, now on to choosing the next winner from the live. For this raffle, we took everybody who attended the live and clicked on the link and filled out the form, and we put them into a spreadsheet, and we created this circle, and now we're going to spin the wheel. And the winner is Vicky Ayers. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Congratulations, Vicky. You can also email us at orders@frannieshair.com with your choice of a main attraction wig. Okay, congratulations to both our winners. I'm so excited for both of you, and I hope that when you get your wigs, you will take pictures and post them in our private Facebook group. Thank you, everybody, for participating in the anniversary event and for supporting my YouTube channel and our business. I am so grateful to each and every one of you. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.